Hey guys, welcome back. So this is going to be another video on my BMW i3, and the theme for today is the interior center console. I'm going to show you how to wrap this one in vinyl wrap, and I'm doing it in a carbon fiber, black carbon fiber. And you've probably seen my other video where I did the dashboard, all these three pieces, and yeah, so now I'm gonna do this part, and you need a Torx T20. You could use a plastic trim tool, panel removal tool, scissor knife, window polish or window cleaner, and a rag. If you have a heat gun, that is good, or if you have a hairdryer, that is fine. But that's all you're gonna need, and this is what it looks like. So let's get to it. So the first thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna remove any items that we have here, and we're also gonna pull this one straight up, put it to the side, and either you can use one of these interior plastic tools, and you put it on the side here and just lift up, but I'm gonna show you that you can actually just do this by hand, and you have to fiddle a little bit here. It's along this front edge here that is held in, and I'm gonna show you where it's held in, but just pull carefully, steadily up, and you should be fine. We're gonna start by removing this cable. There's on the short sides, you just squeeze them in, and then the whole assembly is gonna come out the top like this, and there we have it. And actually the other part, we don't need to remove the cable there, we just need to have one of these Torx tools for it. Torx T20. 3 of these. We're gonna try not to lose them. Yeah, and good tip here then. Don't drop the screws into here, because if you do, I'm pretty sure you're gonna have a hard time getting them up again. There's 4 clips, and in the back you have these 2 tabs here that they reach in. So when you assemble it, it just goes in like that, and then you push down here. Okay, so we are back inside, and we're gonna start by just cleaning this one. So I'm using a bit of glass cleaner, like window polish. So it's time to start applying the wrap, and the first thing you want to make sure that is that if you have like a direction in the pattern, that you get it aligned, and then we're just going to find one corner to start unwrapping from. So next step is we want to trim around the edges, but we want to leave maybe like half an inch, let's say 12 millimeter. So that should be good enough. So I'm gonna start wrapping this around the corners, and in order to do that I'm gonna need to use some heat, but first I'm gonna start cutting it up a little bit on the sides here, but you're gonna see what I'm doing, and make sure not to cut too far up so it's not visible. apply a little heat here. And that's it, it's in. Snap. I like it. And then plug the cable back in. So installing this one, I would just light tap. Cup holder, protein shaker, and that's it. That's a wrap. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe if you feel like it, and see you next time.